guys, you are welcome on board, and right in this video I'm going to show you how PhotoPayz works and how you can use this powerful software to start getting results. Okay, so once you've logged into your PhotoPayz account, you see your dashboard right here, and you see total number of PhotoPayz sites that you've created, total number of banners that you've added, the total niche, the total ads that you've created. Okay, and to watch the demo video, to watch the remaining tutorial videos, so just click here to access all the tutorial videos. Okay, and right here you see your PhotoPayz sites that you've created. Okay, so if you have any concern or any question, you click here to contact the support desk and you can upgrade your account right here. Okay, so now let's get started. The first thing you have to do is you have to create your PhotoPayz site, and you do that by clicking here, create PhotoPayz site. So you input your site title right here. It could be anything like make money, weight loss, fitness, or anything. So then you select your niche right here. We have different PhotoPayz sites niche that you can select: make money online, weight loss and fitness, health, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and others. So select anyone that you prefer. Okay, and you input your description right here. This is your site description. So right here you upload your site logo and you click on create site to create your PhotoPayz site. Awesome. As you can see, your site has been added successfully, and you can go to manage photo site to see your PhotoPayz site. You can see this is a site that we just created. You can click here to delete, and you can also edit the site right here. Okay, so now let's check out our PhotoPayz site. Just click on that link. Amazing. This is beautiful. Now this is the PhotoPayz site that we just created. This is the logo, the site name, the description. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have a lot of stock images right here that has been added automatically to the site. Okay, you can see you can click on any of these images like this. You can see, so you see the size of the image, you see the related images. Okay, and at the same time too, you can also search for images using keyword. You can search for any images in any niche using keyword. All you have to do is to input the keyword here, like internet business. So you select the category image. So we have photo, illustration, vector, and all. So you can select any one that you want and click on search. So this is the search result right here. Okay, you can see. So you have access to millions of images. You can search for any image with loss. Okay, can you see? These are weight loss images. So just input the keyword and search, and you can download these images right here. Okay, and save it to your computer. All right, so that's our PhotoPayz site. And now the next question is, how do you get paid? How do you make money with your PhotoPayz site? It's very simple. We have about 4 different options that allows you to make money with your PhotoPayz site. You can post photos on different platforms and make money for posting photos. You can add banner ads to your PhotoPayz site. You can post on social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and others. And you can also add Google banner on your PhotoPayz site. Okay, though this option is only for the unlimited. So if you purchase the unlimited plan, you see the Google ads. Now let's start with the post photos. How to post photos for cash. Okay, now it's very simple. All you have to do is to register with any or all of this platform below. So you create your account with them, you log in, and you start posting photos for cash. Okay, we have different platforms. We have a Click a Snap, Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Big Stock, and also Payz. So you can post photos on any of this platform and get paid for it. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is to click here to create your account or any of this link right here with any of the platform. The registration page, and right here you input your email address, your password, and you confirm the password and you click on register. All right, and after registering you click here to log into your account and you log into your account. All right, now the next thing is to start posting photo on ClickerSnap. And how do you get the photos? It's very simple. Go to your PhotoPayz site, manage photos site, and you click on your website URL like this. And on your PhotoPayz site you can download any photo that you want. So just click here to download it. You click on preview and you click on the image to download the photo. You can see I just downloaded one image. You can also search for another image. So just search for photos and you can download the image like this. So click on preview and you download the image. As you can see, I just downloaded another photos. After downloading those photos that you want, then you go to your PhotoPayz dashboard, you click on post photos and you click here to post photos for cash. All right, so you'll be asked to sign in. Once you sign in, then you upload those photos inside your ClickerSnap dashboard. So you click on upload photos and you select those photos that you downloaded from PhotoPayz. Okay, you select those photos that you've downloaded right here and you upload the photos. Okay, so now once you've uploaded the photo and it has been approved, then you start getting paid. ClickerSnap pay you when your photos are viewed, as you can see right on their website. So it's the only platform where you get paid when your photos are viewed. Okay, so this is very simple. Just create your PhotoPayz site, download any photos that you want or search any photos that you want and you upload on your ClickerSnap site and you start getting paid. All right, so now you also follow the same procedure for Adobe Stock. You click here to create your account, okay, and you fill in your details right here. Then you click here to sign in and post photos for cash. So you sign in right here, okay, and after that you start posting the photos that you downloaded from PhotoPayz site. Okay, so you download photos here and you post right inside your Shutterstock, as you can see. So you submit the photo and you get paid. Okay, and so far more than $1 billion has been paid out in the last 15 years. Okay, so this is guaranteed to make you money. All right, now you also follow the same procedure for Shutterstock. You click here to create your account. So you enter your details, full name, the display name, your email address, and the password. Okay, and you click on next to create your account. So once you've created your account, then you click here to post photos for cash. You'll be asked to sign into your account, and after signing in, then you see your dashboard right like this. Okay, and you click on upload images. Okay, so then you'll be asked to select the photos you want to post. All right, so just go to your PhotoPayz site and download any image that you want like this and you upload to your Shutterstock account and you click on next, and once the photo is approved you start getting paid for it. Okay, now so you follow the same procedure for Big Stock and also for Payz. It's as simple as ABC. That is for post photos, and like I said earlier, you can also add banner ads to your PhotoPayz site. All you have to do is to select the site that you want to add the banner ads to, all your sites will pop up here. So you select the site, then you select the location for the banner. We have the header, the main, the index, and footer. So you select it, then you select the banner template. We have different templates. Template 1, this is template 2, this is template 3, and others like that. Okay, so you select your preferred template, then you input your affiliate URL right here. So how do you get your affiliate URL? You can click here for JVZO top offer or for Warrior Plus top offer here. So just click on it to get a top offer on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So this is for Warrior Plus, and if you don't have an account with them, you have to create your account with Warrior Plus. Okay, and after doing that, you click on request to get your link. Okay, so then you copy the link like this and you paste it right here. Okay, and if you want to go for JVZoo, so this is for JVZoo, you create your JVZoo account, and after that you'll be taken here and you click on this affiliate information. Okay, and you scroll down, you tick this I'm not a robot, and you click on request approval, and once you're approved, you get your affiliate link and post it right here. All right, then you click on save. Now as you can see, your banner has been added successfully. You can also add banners for different location. This is for another location, so you select the template that you want and you put in your affiliate link right there. You click on save, and right here you can manage your banner. So you can delete the banner, you can edit the banner. Okay, so now let's check out our PhotoPayz site. To see the banners that we just added, go to your PhotoPayz site like this and reload it. There you see all the banners that you've added to your PhotoPayz site. So this is beautiful. Once someone comes to your PhotoPayz site to search out for images, for photos, or for illustration, they will see banners like these on your PhotoPayz site. You can see different banners, in every section, and once they click on any of this banner, they'll be taken to the page, and you get 50% commission upon purchase. All right, so for every purchase you get 50% commission. So if they click on any of this banner, you get your commission. Okay, so that's very simple. That allows you to make extra money, right, from visitors that are checking your PhotoPayz site. Okay, also, if you don't want to use our home banner right here, you can upload your own image from the computer. Okay, so you can upload your own customized banner. All right, now you can also post on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and others. And all you have to do is to copy your PhotoPayz URL. Just copy your PhotoPayz site URL like this, and right here you post it right here, and you click on share. Okay, and you can post these on different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and others. We have more than 100 different platforms right here. Okay, so you can post, you can share on your timeline, in a group, in an event, and others. You can also share on your story. So right here you just put a small caption right here. You can go to your PhotoPayz site and copy out the caption like this. Okay, and put it right here. All right, click here to get over 10 million reality stock images, GIF and others. So and you click on post to Facebook. All right, so this caption is going to motivate people to click on the link, and once they click on the link, they are coming to your PhotoPayz site and they will see the banner. So once they click on the banners, you get 50% commission upon purchase. All right, so you can blast to different platform that you want. Okay, so you can also add Google Ads banner to your PhotoPayz site. So you select the site that you want. Okay, you select the location for the banner and you paste in your Google code right here and click on save. And like I said, this is only for the unlimited user. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.